We'll guide you through how to make a group admin in WhatsApp. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really useful to go and do because if you need help managing a group, someone else can, and they'll be able to go and adjust group settings amongst other things as well. So let's go and get into this. Open up the group you want to do this in. Here we are. And of course, you will need to be an admin in order to make someone else an admin as well. Then all you need to do is go to the top and tap on the group name, and we'll get to group info. And then all you need to do is go and scroll down until you can go and see the members list here, and you can see the different members, and you can go and tap on the person you want to make an admin. For example, I may go and do Tucker here, and then you'll get a few options, one of them being make group admin. So what you can do is go and tap there like so, and as you can see, they're now an admin, and it goes and says admin to the right of their name. And so then be able to go and change the group permissions amongst other things as well. So it's that simple. If you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.